Mike is like on fire this weekend. I don't know.
Get ready, Mike.
Mike.
Come on. Come on, Mike. Too deep, too deep. This is it right here. Yeah. I'm gonna need a second gap. Don't throw it again. I got him. Watch out. Woohoo! Ah!
Let me step back a little bit so I can get the whole.
That blue, then blue, purple. I think got like 120 feet left.
Sorry, buddy.
Number 3. Down deep.
Make him laugh.